Back at you again on the 66 Impala. We got our eyebrow trimming right there on both ends. Got our headlights in there. It's looking good. We also got our piece of chrome right here that was missing. Both sides. Gonna get ready to put the Dakota Digital, the air conditioning and heating, vintage air, condition and heating. Got on our door locks and locks. It's looking good. Coming together. Putting the grill together. Got that beautiful Chevrolet sign. Look at that. How about that? It's all coming together. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. This piece on too. That look good. I see. Yeah, it's looking good. Put them all on there, huh? Yeah. Cool. Beautiful. Got that key in there, ready to lock and unlock. It's getting ready to come. American Auto Wire, vintage air conditioning and heating, Dakota Digital. Over and out.